Hi guys, welcome to Star Repair for Photoshop. This session I want to have a look at repairing those stars that mightn't be as round as what we want them to be. Maybe the guiding wasn't so good or the seeing wasn't so good at the night. Whatever the reason, let's have a look at a way of we can repair them. First thing I want to do is go to Layers, create a layer, then go to Select Color Range tool. We want to select all the bright stars, so let's choose highlights and click OK. Just make sure that no bright parts of the nebula have been selected, just stars. In this case, we can go ahead. Select Modify. We want to expand the selection by about 4 pixels. Select Modify and feather by about 2, roughly half. Let's hide the selection now, Control and H, and zoom in so we can see what we're doing a lot better. At this point we want to change the blend mode to darken, because if we don't, we won't see the changes. Go to Filters, Other, and we want to initiate the offset filter. At the moment it's horizontal is set to 0 pixels, vertical 0, and just make sure in unidentified areas you've got wraparound selected. We're going to shift +1 on horizontal and maybe -1 on vertical, and you can see that. Let's go to the before and after, and you can see the shifts on the stars happening, and only on the stars because of the selection we made earlier. So when you're happy with that, click OK. Might just go to the opacity and just to reduce the opacity a bit and just get those stars looking a bit more natural and round. They don't look so like any filter. You can only go so far with it, and this offset filter is no exception. You can only go so far with it. So when you're happy with that, you can go ahead, flatten the image. Now at this point, while we've got the selection made on the stars, I want to reduce the star sizes a bit maybe, so I'll go ahead and create another layer. Control and M to open up curves and reduce the intensity a bit, and lift the shadows in to get rid of some of that black ring that you see around the stars. So nice reduction there, but some black ring, and we'll take care of that in a second. Press OK. Now we'll go to the blend mode and change the blend mode to luminosity, and you'll see that it goes a long way in reducing the halos around the stars. So if we go to the before and after, let's have a look at that. That's a nice reduction, and if you notice, some more colour comes into the stars when you reduce the intensity. So I maybe even just drop the opacity down a bit from there. That looks about it. Maybe a little bit more. When you're happy with that, go ahead and flatten the image. Let's zoom back out. A simple way of fixing up stars in Photoshop, reducing the size of them. I hope you've enjoyed this session, and stay tuned for the next.